Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple but super useful skill: how to create a drop-down menu on Squarespace. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your website navigation more organized and user-friendly, which is great for visitors and for presenting your content in a clean, professional way. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or a blog, a drop-down menu will help your visitors find what they need without scrolling through a long list of links. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. If you're new to Squarespace or haven't logged in for a while, take a second to make sure you're in the right dashboard where you can see your websites. It's kind of like walking into the lobby before choosing which room to go to. Once you're here, all your website projects will be visible, and you'll be able to select the one you want to work on. Now, click on your website. This opens up the Site Manager where you control all the crucial pieces of your site. Think of it as the control panel. Everything from your pages to your design tweaks happens here. Next, look for the menu labeled Pages on the left sidebar and give it a click. This section is where your site's navigation is managed, so any change you make here directly affects what your visitors see in the navigation bar of your site. Take a moment to make sure you're in the Main Navigation area, not the Not Linked section, since drop-down menus live right in your site's primary navigation for easy access. Here's where the real magic happens. In the Main Navigation section, you'll see a small plus icon. Click on that to open up the options for adding something new to your site's navigation. Squarespace will offer different types of items you can add, like standard pages, links, or, in this case, drop-down folders. Select the drop-down option, or it might be called folder, depending on your Squarespace version. This feature is designed specifically for organizing pages under a single menu item. So if you want your About, Team, and Contact pages all tucked under one spot, this is the way to do it. You'll now be prompted to give your drop-down a name. Think carefully about what you want to call it, since this will be the label people see on your website navigation. For example, you might want to title it Main Menu, Services, or anything that best describes the group of pages you're about to nest under it. Type the name in, and don't worry, you can always edit it later if you change your mind. Once you've named your dropdown, it's time to add pages to it. You'll see another Add Page option inside the dropdown folder you just made. Clicking this lets you create new pages from scratch or drag existing pages into your new dropdown. This is fantastic for grouping related content together. For instance, if you're offering several different services, you can collect all those individual pages under the Services dropdown, so visitors can easily browse through what you offer. If you ever decide you don't need the drop-down menu anymore, maybe you're simplifying your site or redesigning it, removing it is just as easy. Simply hover your mouse over the drop-down you want to delete and a little trash icon will appear. Click on that and follow the prompts to confirm. Squarespace will take care of the rest, tidying your navigation bar right up. Don't worry if you accidentally delete something. Squarespace usually gives you a chance to undo, so you're not locked into a mistake. And that's all there is to it. Creating drop-down menus in Squarespace is straightforward once you're familiar with these steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you ran into any tricky spots. I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Squarespace tutorials and tips for building a site you're proud of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.